Okay, tell mommy what we're doing. See? Okay,
what are you doing?
Watch Daddy do it. Ready? Set.
Daddy running out in the rain?
Spinning.
He spinned around.
I did a spin. Okay, Emmy's turn. Spin! Do the spin! Do the spin! Should we put some shampoo in your hair?
Oh, she's gonna do it again.
Oh, look!
Watch Daddy.
All right,
Let's watch Daddy.
1, 2, 3. Touch your toes.
Oh, he touched his toes. You didn't touch your toes.
Did you touch
You
your
forgot
toes?
to touch your
Oh,
toes.
do it again. Touch your toes. Touch the toes. Oh, come inside. Yay!
Wow. Is that fun?
Is it raining outside?
Yeah.
Is it raining a lot or a little?
I want to go outside.
Is it cold outside or hot?
1, 2, 3, go!
I did it.
Can you go outside
Can you run and touch the
and
chair?
jump?
Run outside and touch the chair. Run, 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 run! Oh my God! Touch the chair! Touch the chair! What happened? You forgot to touch the chair. Okay, run, run, go! You didn't make it far at all. You want Daddy to hold your hand and touch the chair? Okay, ready, set, go! Touch the chair!
Let me do it again.
1, 2, 3, go! Touch the chair! Touch the chair!
Why do you feel like you have to scream?
Don't do this. I want to watch Daddy.
You want to watch Daddy
Watch
do it?
Daddy.
Daddy, do something silly.
I don't know what's silly.
Don't try, Daddy.
Okay.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Dancing!
That's every turn. Go out and dance.
Do a dance! Do a dance! Okay.
I think you need to go outside and shake your booty.
Go outside and shake your booty. Shake the booty, shake the booty. Shake your booty, shake your booty. Okay. Alright, last one. Last one, Emmy, because you're getting soaked. Okay. Time to rest. We'll do it again in a little bit. Let's go get a towel for you. Let's go get a towel.